So today, I'm going to be ranking every 4060 graphics card there is, and I'll slowly be making my way up to the 4090. Please note that I'm only ranking cards from major manufacturers, including Zotac Gaming, PNY, MSI, Gigabyte, and ASUS. So, let's get started. Taking the number 10 spot is going to be the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 8GB Solo. The Solo model is a budget-friendly option from Zotac. Despite its single-fan design, it offers decent performance for this price point. It's a good choice for those tight in a budget who prioritize performance over aesthetics, and the card's factory overclock provides a slight performance boost, making it a competitive option in the RTX 4060 market. I personally don't like the single-fan design, which is why it's at the bottom of the list. Looking at this card, you only see one fan, which is really rare in 2024. I personally like bigger GPUs because they help even out the build towards the bottom of the motherboard. This card has very minimal branding with the word Zotac Gaming in the GeForce RTX logo. For the number 9 spot, I'm going to be putting my first PNY card on this list. This card from PNY offers a good blend of performance and value. The dual fan design and support for DLSS3 makes it a competitive option. Its sleek design and reliable performance make it a solid choice for gamers on a budget. This card's factory overclock provides a noticeable boost in performance, making it good value for the price. Overall, I like this card because of the minimalistic design. For number 8, we have the first MSI card here, and this card is very simple, and there's no uniqueness to this card compared to any other card. I feel like there should be more personality, like a touch of red from MSI, or their dragon mascot, instead of just their name on the card. Come on, MSI. I know you can do it. For number 7, it's going to be our first Gigabyte card. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 WindForce OC. The WindForce series is known for its powerful cooling solutions. This model features a dual-fan cooling system that ensures efficient thermal management. Even under heavy workloads, its understated design is suitable for those who prioritize performance over flashy aesthetics like RGB. This card's factory overclock provides a noticeable boost in performance, making it a good choice for gamers seeking a high-performance 4060. This card is just really plain overall, and I don't really like it. I like the minimalist branding on the center of the fans though. For number 6, we're going to be putting the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 Gaming OC. Now this model is very similar to the WindForce but has a few differences. This model offers a straightforward design and solid performance, 3-fan design, and has efficient thermal management, and its factory overclock provides a slight performance boost. This is the same as the last two, but with 3 fans. This is the first card with 3 fans on this list. And I don't think there's any performance difference, at least to my knowledge, to the 4060 WindForce. For the number 5 spot, we're going with the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 Eagle OC. This card is a beautiful triple fan design and has a blue ring around each center of the fan. And my current graphics card is a Gigabyte Eagle card, and I love it and I haven't had any issues with it so far. The Eagle series offers a balance of performance and aesthetics. The triple fan design makes sure that your graphics card has efficient cooling, while the blue ring accents add a touch of visual appeal around the fans. The Eagle OC model provides solid performance and is a reliable choice for those seeking a well-rounded 4060 experience. Its compact size and quiet operation make it a suitable option for those who have limited space in their PC case. For number 4, this is where it starts to get interesting. I'm going with the Gigabyte Aorus GeForce RTX 4060 Elite. I really like this card because of the LED rings around the fans. Now this is unique, MSI. The Gigabyte Aorus series is synonymous with the premium components and advanced cooling technologies. The Elite model features a distinctive design with RGB lighting and a silver accent, adding a touch of personality to your build. Its powerful cooling system featuring 3 fans and a large heatsink ensures exceptional thermal performance under the most demanding workloads. This card's factory overclock provides a noticeable boost in performance, making it an excellent choice for gamers and content creators seeking the best 4060 has to offer from Gigabyte. I really like this card because it has LED rings around the fans, and Gigabyte put a little bit of uniqueness by putting a silver accent towards the PCIe lanes. I really like RGB, and this is the only fan that does this on this list. I also really like the silver accent towards the PCIe lanes. For number 3, we have the Zotac Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse bundle. And this is a really cool GPU. First of all, it has a really cool box with artwork from the movie. The actual graphics card itself comes with a metal backplate and some stickers, a GPU support stand, and a 12V power adapter, and has a Z-Storm figure, and of course the graphics card itself, which is a beautiful design. You can put the Zotac Gaming Spider-Man stickers on it, and you can put the metal plate on top of the graphics card, which just gives it that perfect personality. If you're going with a red, yellow, and blue, kind of like neon theme, I think this would go really well with your PC. Or if you just really like Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse, this would fit perfect in your PC. And I think it looks great with the backplate and without the backplate. For the second spot on our list is our last Gigabyte card, which is the RTX 4060 Aero OC. Known for its minimal aesthetic, the Aero series offers a sleek and understated look that complements modern PC builds. The Aero OC model provides excellent performance and cooling capabilities thanks to sufficient cooling system and factory overclock. Its all-white design is a standout feature for those who prefer a clean and uncluttered appearance. This card's compact size and quiet operation make it a great choice with those who have limited space in their PC cases. Now this is an amazing card. I can't say anything better about it. I just really love the white accent and the clean design. The triple fans, it just looks perfect. It'll look so good in any white build. Even in a black and white build, it just looks so good and you can never go wrong with an Aero card. It's just simple and it's relatively quiet. I love the white accent and the clean design that the Aero series aims for. I actually want a 4080 Super Gigabyte in the Aero model so bad just because of how clean they are. I can't say anything better about this card because it's just so beautiful. And taking the number 1 and best graphics card in my opinion is the ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4060 OC Edition. As a pinnacle of RTX 4060 performance and aesthetics, the ROG Strix stands out with its striking design, featuring a combination of red and blue accents and RGB lighting. The ROG Strix series is renowned for its robust cooling solutions, ensuring optimal thermal performance even under demanding workloads. Its premium build quality features a sturdy metal backplate and high-quality components. That reinforces this card as a top-tier option. The card's factory overclock provides a noticeable boost in performance, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking the maximum potential out of the 4060. There's no debating that this is one of the best-looking 4060s. It's from ASUS, first of all, so you know that it's high quality and it's really well made. Plus, the red and the blue stripes and the ROG letters really make this card stand out. I also really like the RGB on the side of the card as it adds personality. Okay, so that was my ranking of every major RTX 4060 card there is out currently. I hope you enjoyed the video because this is a new type of video on the channel. So, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Did I miss a card, or you disagree with one of my decisions? Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below to share your opinions. In the next video, I'll be ranking every 4080. So, make sure to be there. Thank you for watching, and have an amazing day.